If you haven't already, you will need to take the Simple Sculptural Rose course first in order to learn how to get the paint thick, how to bag it, and where to get bulk amounts for cheap. So the secret on how these paint swirls are made is by using cake decorating tips. The 127 rose tip makes these. Put thick gel mixed with paint in a bag and rose cake tip taped on. Squeeze paint out onto a sheet protector. Dry with a big clean fan. Peel the dried paint strip off. Roll it and glue the ends with the same thick paint. The paint swirl looks like the end of a cane walking stick on one end, and on the other end looks like this really cool rose. I may refer to this method as the cane swirl a lot, or the rosette look if talking about the rose side.